Let's now concentrate on some features under pivot tables. Pivot tables is what you have already seen while undertaking the basic tutorials on Excel 2016. So here I'm going to directly start with the feature that we have in pivot tables, which is known as a slicer. This slicer is available in your Excel under the Insert tab. Within the filters group, you will find slicer. If you were to see the meaning of slicer, you can use a slicer to filter your data visually. Slicer make it faster and easier to filter tables, pivot charts, and cube functions. Okay, so this is a kind of option which helps you filter your data but in a visual fashion. Okay, filtering, normally traditional filtering is simply, if you click on this drop down, you can filter your data by selecting or deselecting the information over here. But if you want to do it visually, we can use slicer. I'm going to tell you how you're going to do this. Before that, let's understand the data we have in front of us. This is the XYZ company with this list of employees. We have various employees, the department that they belong to, their gender, their monthly salary, annual salary, the taxes that they pay, and their final take-home salary. Fine. So we have this table in front of us. What we need to do now is first make a pivot table out of it. So let's select the table, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. As soon as you do that, it will open up this Create Pivot Table wizard, which asks us for specific information. Now choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed, new worksheet or existing one. We'll take a new worksheet. I don't want to make it look more cluttered. So new worksheet should be fine. And we click on OK. As soon as you do that, the new pivot table opens up. Now what we are supposed to do is analyze our table in detail, which can be done with help of choosing the fields that we want in this pivot table. So let's just drag and drop things. This we want in the row, so we put the name under the row label. The monthly salary comes under values because we want to analyze the monthly salary. Okay, what else do we have? The department and the gender will come under filters. So we're going to filter our data on the basis of department as well as gender. So here, if you can see, you can select the department and you can select gender as well. So if I select finance and hit OK, employees only from finance are available. Again, you have the option to choose males and females. So if I'm choosing only female, I can now see data of employees from the finance department and whose gender is female. Okay, so you can make these changes over here. As of now, I'll keep it all. So we have all the employees over here. Okay. Also, we can create a table and do the analysis here itself. The other option of doing such kind of analysis is by the help of the option of slicer. So if you want to put in or imbibe a slicer into your pivot table, what you need to do is under the Insert tab, click on Slicer, and as soon as you open it, you have various options which is similar to when we created the pivot table. We got these options, so these fields are now available to you. So let's try and create two filters here, one with respect to the department and other gender. Okay, so we are inserting two slicers, two filters to our data. One is department and gender. Click on OK and you will be able to see that there are two dialog boxes that open up. One is the gender and one is the department, rightly with the ones which we had asked for. If you see, these are the color options. If you want to change them, you can go under this options and you can use the color you want to. Let's say I want the green one, and for this table I want the orange one. Okay, so with this you have this table in front of you, but we're going to have only two tables over here. We have used only two slicer options. So under this, if let's say you hit on IT, you'll find that only IT department employees, both male female, are selected. Under IT, if I want only male, what I need to do is under IT I have now selected male. whatever you select, whatever you filter will be highlighted. So as of now, if you see under department, IT is highlighted green, and under gender, male is highlighted. So the data that you can see over here in the pivot table is basically IT department employees who are male, right? So you can use these set of filters directly and you can do an analysis quickly rather than again going here and doing the filtering. And this looks much more visually appealing. Don't you think so? So you need not do the drop down, and all you want to do, whatever filtering you want to do, you can do it with the help of this slicer.